Alright, so today I will be changing my throttle body. This is the other throttle body that I got from the junkyard that I'm going to replace. This is the old throttle body. Now what happened is that little switch thing that's inside there, it broke. So it's messing up the idle of my car, you know, so I have to go change that. First thing you're gonna do, tools. You're gonna need a number 10. It should be in the back of your E46 if your tool set is fully there, but you just need a 10 to pull off this bolt. The other bolt down there too is a 10 as well, but you're gonna need a socket, you know, so get yourself a little wrench with an extension, because you need an extension because the way how the bolt sits is like it's way in there, and you're gonna need an extension to get it. So alright, well, the first thing you're gonna do is take off this. Mind you guys, I've already, you know, pretty much took off all the bolts and everything. So yeah, and I already unloosened this too as well. Let me do right there some more. So we're gonna put that on the ground. And here we are. So, the first thing I'm going to do is take off this. This is a 10. So, I've already screwed the hard part, you know. I loosened the bolts pretty much just to show you guys. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but you see that? It broke. Oh, I don't know why I did that. But, yeah, it broke right there, so gonna need to change that. Alright, so let me put that camera down right here. So I got some more room to do it. Alright. Oh, why was it tightening?